Hello boys and girls, today I want us to look at the next parts in our maths, which is fractions. So, I'm going to start off with an example. I'd like you all to please listen carefully. We're going to start off by looking at our fraction groups. If you would like to take a piece of paper out, make some notes, please feel free to do so. So, our first part in fraction groups is understanding that when you look at fraction groups, you're basically dividing what you have into certain parts. Let's take a look at the first question. We've got John. John has bought a box of 9 croissants. So, we know by now that 9 is our number that doesn't change. This number being your denominator. So, John has 9 croissants that he bought. That number stays the same. In between the 9 croissants, he's bought 3 that are chocolates. So, we know out of all the 9 croissants, 3 of them are chocolates. I would like you to tell me how many of the croissants are plain. First step we're going to look at. We know that in total we have got 9 croissants. 3 of them are chocolates. What remainder of croissants are plain? If we take our total amount of croissants and subtract the 3 chocolate ones from that, what would our answer be? Well done. That would give us 6 plain croissants. So that means that at the end of the day, once John came back from the bakery, he ended up buying 3 chocolate croissants and 6 plain ones. What I'd like us to do now is to take this answer and write it down as our fraction, keeping in mind that your denominator does not change. It remains the same. We've been asked what amount of croissants are plain. So, which number do you think we're going to write as our numerator? Well done. We would end up writing the 6. 6 out of the 9 croissants are plain. Let's now put that into the iRainbow software and see how we did. Let's have a look at our question again. So, the question says, John bought a box of 9 croissants. 3 of them were chocolates. What fraction of the croissants are plain? As we've worked out on the whiteboard, I'd like us to now put the answer in. Remember, please, that you use your / to separate your numerator and denominator. We had said that 6 of the croissants are plain. And how many croissants did John buy in total? 9. Giving you the fraction 6 out of 9. Click submit. And there we have it. Now I'd like us to please move on to another question using the same method we've done, and let's see how we do. The following question is, Josh decided to bake 14 cupcakes. So we know that our denominator will be 14. So Josh baked 14 cupcakes. Next part of our fraction is that 5 of these cupcakes were chocolates. Right? And 6 of the cupcakes were vanilla. I have the following question to ask. Now that we know our denominator is 14 cupcakes in total, I want you to work out for me how many cupcakes are chocolate chip. Keep in mind, from the method we used in question 1, we've taken our total and already written it down as our denominator. We've then looked at the rest of the question where it's given us some information saying 5 of them are chocolates and 6 of them are vanilla. So we're going to take 5 and our 6 and add these 2 flavors together. This would then give us an answer of, well done, 11. So boys and girls, now that we know our total of chocolate and vanilla cupcakes are 11, that means that our remainder would be 3 that are plain. How we got to this answer is we took our total amount of cupcakes, subtracted the flavors that are already baked, leaving us with 14 minus 11. And that would then give us our fraction of 3 over 14 that are chocolate chip. Right, boys and girls, let's carry on to the iRainbow software and do the next assessments. Let's now put our answer that we've worked out on the board into iRainbow system. So we said the fraction is 3. Please remember to put your / to show your division sum for your fraction. 3 over 14. Click submit, and there we have it. So Josh ends up with 3 chocolate chip cupcakes out of the 14 that he's baked in total. That's it for this week, boys and girls. Hope you enjoyed your lesson on fractions, and I'll see you next time.